Today we're at Quest Diagnostics in Horsham, and we're hosting Healthy NewsWorks and the Manor Elementary School. They've come here today to have some hands-on experience with anything from how our specimens arrive in the laboratory to phlebotomy services, how they're collected, how the specimens are tested by our medical technologists and interpreted by our pathologists.
Healthy NewsWorks is a program where we work in elementary and middle schools to teach kids basic journalism skills so that they can research, write stories about health for their peers and for their communities.
I like writing and reading a lot, and telling stories about other people gets me and get more interested in other people's life.
They learned a lot about how blood is taken and why it's important to get our blood taken. I think they learned a lot about cells and the different types of cells there are and how we can look at the cells to figure out what is wrong with our bodies.
When you're finished with your phlebotomist test, they send it to your doctor, and your doctor has to see if you're sick or not, and if you're sick, the doctor will tell you that what type of medicines you need to take, and if you're not sick, then your doctor will say you're just fine.
The benefit for bringing the students here and exposing them to our staff, our employees, is so that they can see some of the opportunities in the sciences that they may not otherwise be exposed to.
I saw today one little girl who took to it so much that she really thinks this is something that she could do. And for a fourth grader to have an idea like that, something that she might not have ever experienced if she didn't have the chance to come here, and something she may have never known about if she did not have that chance to come here. And I think it's very important for businesses to be involved in education.
Whether they're interviewing the experts at Quest, whether they get to learn about the word phlebotomist. Our relationship with Quest really opens doors for our children and for our schools and in many dimensions.
What we learned is how they transport the blood. I learned about how being healthy and stuff about what Quest Diagnostics does to help you with your blood.
I think they're going to go back to school and teach some of their friends, and I think when we educate one person, they then educate another person, and we're spreading the knowledge to more people.
These kids were fascinated by it. I think they learned a lot, and I think it sort of is the future, that they may be our future. So I think it was great.